Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
6 Ways to Sunday. This is quite the head scratcher. It's a classic idiom in the English language, often used to convey thoroughness or an extensive degree of effort. Think about it this way. Imagine doing something so completely you've done it for every single day of the week, including Sunday. That's the essence of 6 Ways to Sunday. So the phrase 6 Ways to Sunday isn't just a fancy phrase, but a testament to the richness and versatility of the English language. And that's the beauty of idioms. They add color to our conversations and make language learning more enjoyable. So, the very next time you've done something thoroughly, remember you've done it 6 ways to Sunday. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, give it a thanks, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, keep exploring, keep learning, and share in the comments something that you've done thoroughly 6 ways to Sunday. Until next time, continue learning.